Hello guys and welcome to the vlog. We're going out today again. Oh, it's very cool. If you guys watch my Vietnam vlog, you would know na super nagustuhan ko yung bun cha. Parang ever since noon, lagi ako nag-hunt ng mga Vietnamese restaurant dito sa Manila na merong bun cha sa menu nila. Usually kasi puro pho. But actually recently, parang dumadami yung mga Vietnamese restaurant which I'm really happy about and excited na i-try sila. But this one, I saw it on TikTok. And it's called Hanoi Pho. It's located in Makati and sobrang saya ko talaga guys. This was supposed to be part of last week's vlog pero hindi ko siya nasama. But I guess it's a good start for this vlog. If you guys have been to Vietnam and if namimiss nyo yung Vietnamese food, ganon. If katulad ko, namimiss nyo yung bun cha, try nyo tong Hanoi Pho in Makati kasi it really takes you back. But anyway, just like last week's vlog, this vlog I think is also a little bit eventful and there are moments na nakakalimutan ko talaga mag-intro katulad na tong alis na to. Ayan, nag-aayos na ako agad. I am going to Makati. Bring my journal and so this is my outfit of the day. My trousers and jacket are from H&M. As usual, tayo ay naka-boots. Parang signature ko na to. Actually, medyo gloomy today. Hopefully, hindi umulan. But yeah, today is going to be an alone but not lonely type of day. It's a solo day. My main agenda for this day was to pick up a check. And tapos na ako doon. Hindi ko na yun vlog. So, yung next naman na gagawin ko is pupunta ako ng mall to go to Zara kasi meron akong binili online na isa-store pickup ko na lang and tinugma ko siya sa mall na malapit dun sa check-in na pinig-upan ko. Parang ganon. Kasi sa totoo lang, every time that I go to Makati or BGC, dinadamihan ko talaga yung gagawin ko. As in, sinusulit ko siya. Order this from Mason. Sulit na to for 230 kasi ang sarap ng cuts. It's really good. Yogurt from Pinkbell. Kanina ko pa hinahanap yung landmark pero nalilito talaga ako every time nandito ako sa Greenbelt. Greenbelt Glorieta. Hello guys and welcome to another day. Today we're gonna be going to an event and actually kasama ko si OT sa event na pupuntahan ko today. For OT talaga yung event na yun. It's an event by Royal Canin. Hindi ko alam if na-pronounce ko yun ng maayos but isa siya sa mga famous and highly recommended na dog food. So I'm really excited to bring OT doon. Anyway, after nung event, pupunta ako ng Glorieta 3 kasi magpo-pull out ako ng shoes from New Balance. Tapos, ayun, di ko alam if sana kayanin ko kasi wala akong pet stroller. So, yung isang shoulder ko, occupied na siya ni OT. Tapos, I don't know if may goodie bag from the event. If meron, sana hindi siya ganun kabigat. pipiliin ko, guys. Sorry, di ako masyado nakapag-vlog. We're gonna be going out today again. Dahil mag-shoot ako ng aking mga postings. I'm wearing my retainers, by the way. This is the shoes that I ended up getting and I super love it kasi feeling ko this is more my style. I was supposed to get a different colorway pero hindi siya available in my size. Yeah, that's why I ended up getting this one. Mahilig ako sa mga denim, diba? And ito parang close to denim siya so I can match it with a lot of my denim pieces. Pa ako medyo malaki siya. Para siyang panlalaki. Kaya hindi talaga ako masyado mahilig magsuot ng mga open toe heels kasi hindi siya bagay sa akin. Yung size na kinuha ko dito is 9.5 ng men's tapos 11 siya ng women's. Nag-half size up ako for this. Anyway, this is my outfit of the day. Di ba may blue dito? Tapos yung blue ko is ito. Suotin natin yan. Saw you silhouette in the backlight. Saw you could have met in a past life. Dreaming at night like the last time. So I end all my days. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. New York P. Say hello. Hey, magkamukha. Hello. Say hi. Hello guys. Order pa. Kaso lang muna siya guys. Wait lang may ano. Ano pa tayo isang klase mo? Here na yung coffee. Ouch! Bro. Guys, gusto ko tong candle na to. Sobrang tagal na. And it's on sale. Actually, ito yung gusto kong candle. Kasi hindi siya sale. Kasi plano ko, pag naubos siya, gagawin ko siyang baso. Colors ko to, guys. Gusto ko bilhin lahat. The candle and aalis na ako kasi ayoko na bumili ng kung ano pa. Cute! Ayoko na kasi gumastos. O diba, ganito yung gagawin ko dun sa candle. After ko siya magamit, pwede siya maging baso. Ang ganda guys, oh. Thank you po! I'm here at Common Room and I bought something kasi sobrang cute. Ganito siya. But as in, sobrang ako siya. Ang cute! Yay! Okay. Saw you silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. Till I end all my days with you. Okay, I think this is the last day of March and tayo ay pupunta ng salon today. We're gonna be going to Mark's Salon sa May Morato. Ang choices ko nun sa hair ko was if ipapa-short hair ko ba siya or the dark brown ko siya as in close to black or i-retouch ko yung highlights ko. Kasi medyo mahaba na to guys. Kasi nandito na yung roots ko. Anyway, ang napili ko sa tatlong yon ay ipapa-refresh ko ang aking highlights. So, hopefully, maging okay siya. Anyway, this is the before. Dito kita na ang aking roots. So that's my little pamper session. Now let's move on to the next day. Hello! We are having lunch with the family. Happy birthday! This is a really special day because it's Gab's birthday, but it's also one of the days na nandito yung pinsan ko or yung kapatid ni Gab na si Ate Via dito sa Pilipinas. Pork, so you cannot eat. Parang masarap ito. Video today. We have tres leches for dessert. Sino pinag-uusapan natin?
I don't remember this one.
Those from Slovenia, very nice.
I really like this day. Sa totoo lang, nabitin pa nga ako. Kakatawa kami tingnan. So, ayun guys, that ends our family day today. But yeah, it was a short, fun, and chill day with the family. Wait, it's April 2. This week is a really busy week for me and super happy ako na busy week siya. Anyway, may makeup pa ako kasi kanina nag-film ako ng content. Hindi pa siya na-approve kasi mga 8 PM ko siya sinamit. This is what it looks like. This is my luggage from World Traveler. Nandito siya ngayon kasi I'm gonna be using it for my bazaar this weekend. Dito ko lalagay yung ibang gamit. Bebenta ko na yung iba kong caps, iba kong bags. April 2 ngayong araw. April 4 ng gabi kami mag-i-ingress. Kailangan today and tomorrow maayos na yung mga gamit. Sa totoo lang, hindi pa talaga ako masyado nagpe-prepare for it. Parang ngayong week ko lang siya inasikaso. Pero yung mga pieces kasi na i-declutter ko, nandun na siya sa bahay. As in, nandun siya sa mga bins ko doon. So, i-check ko lang siya ulit. Kasi gusto ko rin na parang curated yung rack ko. I have here mga jackets, skirts, long sleeves, ganon, button down, some pants. Tada! Ito yung mga sneakers na ibebenta ko. Kasi most of them I really... Hi! Okay guys.
Spring is the season that wakes me alive.
So what are you wearing right now?
I'm wearing a custom Michael Singh.
Okay. How about your inner?
It's from a brand, Wendy Wood.
Okay. Oh, I like your bottoms. Where did you get it?
Well, actually, this is thrifted, but my shoes is from Balenciaga.
Oh.
I wasn't able to film anything nung first day nung bazaar kasi dinala ko yung camera ko pero di ko nadala yung batteries niya. Check it. 12:02. Excuse my voice.
2 days of not sleeping.
Yeah. Ilang hours to? Grabe
Tagal.
kahapon. Mag-risk ako sa so, nag-declutter ako ulit. Tapos, hilong-hilo na talaga ako. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. And sobrang daming tao na hindi ko na rin naisip mag-vlog even with my phone. But can I just say thank you to my subscribers who visited me nung bazaar. If you're watching this, thank you so much for putting in the effort to visit me, say hi. And if you bought something, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in 6 months. Alam ko kasi every 6 months nagkakaroon ng creator closet cleanups. Tapos na kami sa bazaar. And this is our well-deserved meal.
Passes me by. I don't know. My life is beautiful. I start to fear it. I slip through my fingers and just disappear. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea.
So, bumili ako ng mga ganito just for the bazaar. I'm just gonna use them here for, you know, personal use para pag may bazaar, edi ito na lang gagamitin ko. Di na ako bibili ng panibago kasi sayang naman. Anyway, it's actually better kasi mas nakikita ko yung pants. This is my closet situation. Hello guys and welcome to the vlog. I just got a haircut. It has been, I think, 4 days after since nagpasalon ako, and excuse my voice if wala siya kasi medyo feel ko dahil sa pagod to and sa puyat. Anyway, this is how my hair turned out. I super love it. Pinaayos ko siya sa Mark Salon. Dun sa before, parang brown na talaga yung hair ko and yung roots ko parang nandito na. And ngayon, super fresh ang aking highlights. Ito yung itsura niya sa likod. Sorry kung medyo makala. Ganda rin nung dami nung highlights. As yung nipis niya, gano'n. Look at that. I'm really happy with my hair but feeling ko kailangan ko talaga magpa-haircut kasi parang ang flat ng buhok ko. Ewan ko. Well, actually, ang aga ngayon, parang mga 7 AM na ata. And parang naging ganito yung body clock ko kasi nung nag-bazaar, maaga yung gising ko. So, ang aga ng gising ko today. And excited ako magbukas yung mall kasi bala ko magpa-haircut. Noong una parang gusto ko paggawa yung usual ko na parang layered, ganon. Pero parang gusto ko magpa-short hair today. Hanggang dito. Ganon. Excited. No. Ang pangit ma-excite nang wala kang boses. Pero ewan ko, feeling ko kasi parang di naman masyado kita yung highlights ko dito. So, hindi ko siya sinasayang talaga. And gusto ko na rin kasi talaga magpa-short hair. Pero para safe, parang dito na lang, ewan ko, feeling ko sure na talaga ako. Malalobat na yung camera ko. Hello guys! So, nakata ko kanina kasi nalobat yung camera ko. But as you guys can see, hindi ako nagpa-short hair. So yun, ito yung kinalabasan niya. Wala lang, feeling ko kasi baka impulsive ako. So naisip ko, bigyan ko pa ng time bago ako magpa-short hair. Kasi sayang rin yung long hair ko. So anyway, ang haircut na pinagawa ko is layers. This is my usual. Pero naisipan kong ito ulit kasi nung first time ko magpa-layers, hindi pa ganun kaganda or hindi na fresh yung highlights ko. As in may nag-grow na roots. Eh ngayon na parang fresh siya, ganyan. Tipo nandito yung highlights. Parang I wanna see it na yung buhok ko parang sobrang plakado talaga siya. Ganon. So, ayun. Okay, this is how it turned out. And I'm super duper happy with this haircut. Since simula nung nagpagupit ako kay Sir Journey, nagpapagupit ako sa may SM San Lazaro, dun sa bench salon. Dun siya sa ground floor. And yung stylist ko ay si Journey. Parang ilang beses na rin ako nagpagupit sa kanya. I think this is my 5th or 6th time. And every time talaga natapos na yung haircut ko, I always feel good about myself. As in parang, I feel ko parang na-rebirth ako, ganon. Pinaikli ko rin yung bangs ko. Kasi ang laki ng fez ko para medyo ma-frame siya. Loti, do you like your mama's hair? I love you, baby. By the way guys, nasa kabila sila Rupert and si Jevy. Nasa living room sila. And we're gonna go to Green Hills kasi nag-aya si Gats mag-chill. And bibisitahin na rin namin si Dukes. Kasi iniisip ko rin pumunta sa stall ng friend ko si Dane. Meron kasi silang mga gems, mga stones. Yun, just to show support, we're gonna visit our friends today and we're gonna chill and I'm gonna take you guys along with us. So let's go!
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you.
Sige, freebie ko na lang yun sa'yo. Oh, gusto mo gel? Ay, yellow ba gel? Yes. Oo, Jane.
Parang colors ako. Actually, meron nga akong realization dito sa vlog na to na, oo, naguguluhan ako sa kanya. Pero natutuwa ako na nakikita ko kung gaano ako kasaya sa mga araw na nag-vlog ako. Especially when I was with my family and my friends. And yeah, this is the kind of video na I wanna rewatch in the future. Happy birthday! But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you on the next one. Bye!